That's already running, so we're not doing a cold start on the Jeep. And it's cold out. Very cold out. So that, excuse me. Alright, but we are doing a cold start on this 2006 Mini Cooper S. This is Wisconsin weather for you. Skip right over fall and go straight to winter. Alright, turn the light on so we can see what we're doing. It's funny, you can put the key in both ways, which is kind of cool. Alright. Oh, it's cold. Make sure it's in neutral. Clutch you have to push in. Oh, there we go. Alright. Started not too hard. That's good. And thank the Lord for heated seats. Ooh. That's nice thing about this car. Alright. Peace out. See you soon.